Welcome back, everyone. It's Caleb over here at Red Racing Industries. Now, today we are back with episode 51 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. Well, let's go ahead and get into it. Hopping into episode 51 of racing every single track and every single car inside of Gran Turismo 7. So, as we're now ready, it still takes us a few seconds. Let's go ahead and dive right into this race. Well, I thought I had this set up. I pressed too many buttons too quickly. That's my problem. Come on. Yellow? Okay. There we go. Okay, we finally got it to PS5 mode. E. Okay. Didn't take us only a literal minute. Let's go ahead and hop in here. I don't even remember. It's been a few days since I've recorded on here. Let's hop in. We're at Alsace. Yes. Let's do the test course. I'll be doing the test course in reverse. We'll go ahead and do it during dawn. Let's get this race going. So recently, we've been working on a lot more iRacing if you continue to check out my other videos. And I mean, I'm noticing a lot of differences between the different sims. I mean, immediately this doesn't turn as I was expecting it to. I mean, just everything's a bit different. No, I don't know. I was going to say I thought there was an update or something, but I doubt it. Coming in hot. Oh, goodness. I did that just small section there in a training once, and honestly, I hate it because it was a really old BMW. That's as much as I remember. It's been a few months. Because we've done a lot of this fairly quickly, I feel like. So, I've got a goal in mind. And I think I've mentioned it before. And we're going to continue to work on it to make it a reality, speak it into fruition, and manifest it. Okay? From today, well, yeah, at the beginning of this month, this year, 2026, my goal is to be on a track, in a race car, sponsored, the whole shebang. If with the mistakes. From 13 months from essentially now. That is basically February of 2027. That is the goal. So we're going a very audacious goal, but that's why we're posting every single day. I mean, we're not letting back. We're not backing off. We're not going to slow down. I mean, you see I'm overtaking these people. Now, obviously, this is just for fun currently, but that's why we've spent a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of sweat into the iRacing, getting it ready. We're going to be getting the Porsche to get worked on. We're going to be doing all of that ourselves. I mean, we're getting at it. We're going at it hard. And I'm not letting off that throttle there. Okay? So keep supporting me. I do appreciate it. We're going to continue to try and post more and more. That is my kind of resolution for 2026. And on my other channel, my main one, I've started hard. Very hard. I've posted probably 40 times already, if not more. And P10. No idea where we started. We did have a little accident, pretty quick, but I'll continue more of what I'm going on about in another video. Other than that, I do want to say thank y'all again for watching. I do appreciate any and all support that you do give me. I mean, that was quick, 4 miles. We're driving 67, 80 miles. Anyway, as always, I want to say thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for the next episode and the iRacing content we've got coming. And I think we might be getting a Porsche to the channel soon. I just thought of that, so we'll be introducing the new vehicle soon-ish, and making more content on the Porsche as well. Got to get it running. Other than that, I want to say thank you again for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one.